The straight line y equals 2x plus 1 intersects the curve y equals x squared plus 3x minus 4 at the points A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B and give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So what you have to do is probably I've already guessed that you have to substitute, put in 2x plus 1 equals x squared plus 3x minus 4 and then solve it, and then whatever value of you will be getting, obviously two values of x, and you find the corresponding values of y. So that's what you're going to do in this question. But I would like to do a little bit more, just to make myself comfortable with this question. So I'm going to start with this. So if I just make a little bit of effort, and if I draw out the line and the curve and see where they actually meet. Now I'm not going to do a rough graph. I don't have a graph paper on screen. So I'm going to do a rough graph and we'll get an idea of how the line and the curve look. So if I may draw an axis, so I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So this is my rough axis. So that's 1. And that's all minus, by the way. And that's 0. And then it's minus 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I try and draw this, y equals 2x plus 1, how will I do that? So what I will do is we put x equals 0 and y equals 1. So the first point is 0 and 1, that's here. That's, if I use another color, 0 and 1, then I do x equals 1, y equals 2 plus 1, that's 3. So the other point is 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 would be here. Then the other point, if I put x as minus 1, I get y equals minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1. So minus 1 and 1 is here. So this is one point, and the other point is 1 and 3, which is here. So 1 and 3, which is here. So what happens is, if I were to draw a line, this is what the straight line would look like. It's passing through this. So this is what the straight line would look like. Okay, it's a very ugly graph, I know, but it gives you a sense of what the line is passing through. So this is my straight line. I have to draw the curve now. So if I do it the same way, y equals x squared plus 3x minus 4, and then if I put x equals 0, then I get y equals minus 4. So one of the points is 0, minus 4. So 0 minus 4 would be here. So sorry, this is one of the points. The next point would be x equals 1, then y equals 1 plus 3 minus 4, that is 0. So 1 and 0 is the other point, and that is here, 1 and 0. So then if I do x is minus 1, and then y equals 1 minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7 minus 6. So the other point is minus 1 minus 6, and minus 1 and minus 6 would lie here. Yeah, this is where minus 1 and minus 6 would lie. So we can make out the way this curve is going to work. So it's here. And then if I do x is minus 2, x is 2, I would get y equals 4 plus 6 minus 4, so that is 6. So my other point is 2, 6. If I do 2, 6, it would be here. So that's probably where it's going to cut the line. So it's like it's going this way. And then let me do more. So if I put x is minus 2, if I put x is minus 2, I get y equals 4 minus 6 minus 4. That is minus 6. So the other point I get is minus 2 minus 6, which is again here. And then if I put x is minus 3, or if I put x is minus 4, I would get y equals 16 minus 12 minus 4. So I would get 0. For 16, 3 times 4 is 12, so minus 12. And then minus 4, so that's 16 minus 16, 0. Yes, that's right. So that would be the other point. It's here. The curve is up, going up. So one of the points of intersection is here. The other point is somewhere here. So now let us do the solving. So that part is quite straightforward. All I have to do is put in 2x plus 1 in place of this y and put equals x squared plus 3x minus 4. And then I do rearranging the terms. X squared plus x minus 5 is 0, and I have to solve for x. The I get it right? Yeah, I did. So then what becomes is x equals minus b, which is 1, plus minus b squared minus 4ac, that is 4 times 5 is 20, divided by 2a is 1. So that gives me minus 1 plus minus square root of 21 divided by 2. So x has two solutions. X is minus 1 plus root 21 out of 2, and that is, use my calculator, yeah, and minus 1, which gives me this, divided by 2, that gives me 1.79. So that gives me 1.79, and if x is 1.79, then y would be 2 times 1.79, and that is 3.58 plus 1 equals 4.58. So I can say that this point is, if I call it A, it's B, then A would be 1.79 4.58. Okay, I have to work out B. So B would be x equals minus 1 minus divided by 2 plus 1 equals this divided by 2 equals 2.79, so that equals minus 2.79, and y would be equal to minus plus 1. That would be minus 4.58. So this point B is minus 2.79 and minus 4.58. And that's my answer.